Tops are versatile and comfortable garments that can be matched with any type of bottom wear and worn every day. Despite their ubiquity, many women are unaware of the various types of tops available. This video will help you navigate the many styles of tops for women and choose those that are perfect for you. Tunic top. Tunic tops are loose-fitting and versatile, making them a favorite among women. They can be paired with sandals or boots and are suitable for both casual parties and date nights. Adding a belt can enhance the look, making it adaptable to various occasions. Maxi top, also known as long-line tops. Maxi tops are suitable for women of all ages. These tops are loose and comfortable, with an empire waistband that provides a flattering fit without being too tight. They are ideal for women between sizes. Wrap top. Wrap tops are popular for their flexibility, fitting a range of occasions from special events to casual outings. They feature sufficient openings at the bottom for free movement and are secured with a tie or a zipper, offering a classy and stylish look when paired with jeans. Peplum top. Peplum tops are beloved for their dressy look and versatility. Available in various prints and styles, they are loose-fitting and can be matched with almost any bottom, providing the feel of wearing a dress and adding a traditional touch to the look. Cape top. Perfect for winter, cape tops have been a favorite for their classic style. They feature a semi-wide collar with cuffs to stay in place during movement, making them a stylish choice for colder days. Tube top. Tube tops are versatile and have stood the test of time. They can be worn casually or under other garments like sweatshirts or suits, up for banded, striped, or solid styles to match various bottom wear. One shoulder top. One shoulder tops are ideal for a classy look. They feature a single shoulder strap, making them perfect for social events, trips with friends, or professional meetings when paired with jeans. Shirt style top. Shirt style tops are relaxed and cozy, making them ideal for workplaces. They feature few buttons and conservative elements like cuffs, hem, and collar, suitable even for mid-aged women who prefer a more traditional style. Tank top. Tank tops are semi-fitting and available in various designs and styles. They create a trendy appearance and can be paired with loose-fitted jeans for a versatile, casual look. Kaftan top. Kaftan tops are comfortable and fashionable, often chosen by plus-size women. These long-sleeved, loose tops are available in many patterns and prints, offering a relaxed yet stylish look.